This is your crash course on the Roland P-6. It's the first sampler in the Era Compact series. To describe it very quickly, it's like the pocket version of the SP404 Mark II. It borrows a lot of function from it. To give a basic run through, you have your samples right here, which you're able to pitch and change the start and end point of. You've got your step sequencer here, so let's throw a kick down on these steps here to give this sort of rhythm, maybe a rim thing. I'm going to change the end point of that ride. And if I want to, I could also add lo-fi. So this is like a bit crusher sort of quality, which I'm going to add to, let's say, the kick. You could add this to tracks independently, which is very nice. We've got this sort of bass sound here as well, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to a specific step, let's say this one right here, and I'm going to change the pitch of that specific step, right? So we have per step precision. So far we've drawn one shot specifically from bank E. I'm going to go to bank A, and here I have a bunch of longer samples. It's like 1 bar samples. So I'm going to choose this one, put it on step 1. I know that they're at 140 BPM even before putting them in. I came prepared. So now we have this groove. We could actually mute these if we want, any of these samples live. There goes those samples. Maybe go over to bank E, drop the kick. Right, so this is like a performance thing we could do right here. And then we haven't even explored the effects section. There's so much packed into this thing. In the effects section, you have your basic effects. So delay, I'm going to change this to, let's say, dotted eights, something like that. We could scatter this, change the scatter function as well. There's DJ Effects Looper, the most overused SP404 effects, for a good reason. Filter, right? And then there's this button right here. This is the multi-effects button. We have a bunch of multi-effects to choose from. Also, these are all borrowed from the SP404 as well. So let's choose lo-fi. There's different lo-fi flavors here. We are barely scratching the surface here. As you can see, there's a bunch of shift functions. Hopefully that gives you a basic idea of what the P6 is all about. And if you have any specific questions about it, drop those in the comment section. Maybe I'll make a dedicated video for that.